Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for stopping by. Today, we have another DIY from American Girl's collaboration with Jeni's Splendid ice cream. See how to make the full of flavor table with its colorful rainbow stripe umbrella for a fraction of the American Girl price tag, and recycle at the same time. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, let's get making! We will make the majority of our table from recycled paperboard. If possible, try to use cereal boxes with a white core. Start by tracing around a small circular plate. Then find the center point and mark both the horizontal and vertical lines. Working from the outer edge, draw a set of parallel lines that are 5 mm apart. Then connect the ends with a curve. Move inward about 2 centimeters and draw a longer oval. Then repeat once again. Lastly, draw 2 shorter ovals equally spaced on either side of the center point. To cut these slits, we opted to use an X-Acto blade for the long straight cuts and switched to our precision scissors for the curved ends. Now our tabletop template is ready. Trace it onto more paperboard to make 5 more identical pieces. For a perfectly sized umbrella pole, we bought wooden dowels from Lincraft for $4. They are 30 centimeters tall with a 1.2 centimeter diameter. Place it centered on the tabletop template to trace and cut out the circle. Now, stack and glue all your paperboard pieces together. To mimic the look of AG's table leg, we have a plastic cake column. This is the largest size, measuring 17 centimeters tall. To add more height, we will attach the column to an empty air-dry clay container. Make a hole through the top to insert the column. Then secure in place with lots of hot glue. From more paperboard, cut, stack and glue 8 larger circles. This will help give the table leg some weight for a sturdier piece. At the top of the cake column, we will close the hole inside with a circle of paperboard. Then affix the tabletop using more hot glue. For extra support, we recycled the straight sections from a plastic coat hanger, then used pliers to make angle cuts at each end. Hot glue 4 supports under the tabletop and to the table leg, being sure they are evenly spaced. With the basic construction complete, paint your table a bright glossy orange. Originally, we intended to use an 18-inch doll umbrella for this craft. You can buy them cheaply off eBay and Amazon. Unfortunately, our order is delayed and won't arrive until May. Not one to give up, we will try making an alternative from paper. However, it isn't fully functional. Simply draw an isosceles triangle with an added 5 mm allowance along the equal sides for your pattern. Here we glued 2 layers of computer paper together to make the paper stronger, then folded it in half vertically. Now fold your triangle in half and place it against the crease of the paper to trace. Flip the template to trace a second at the other end of your paper. Cut along the lines and you have 2 pieces. Repeat to make 6 wedges in total. Take the remaining scrap paper and fold it in half as seen on screen. Place your template against the crease line and cut to get a shorter triangle. Glue this behind your larger one for more strength. Now let's paint! Using an image from AG's website for reference, paint the rainbow-coloured stripes onto each wedge. Once the paint has dried, draw on the Jeni's logo using a white paint pen or gel pen. Next, take a straight edge to fold tabs along the equal sides of each triangle panel. Apply glue to the tab areas and adhere the panels together, forming the umbrella shape. Cut a small circle and glue it over the center point to reinforce this area. Following this, hot glue the wooden dowel to the circle. Our umbrella is looking bright and colourful, but it needs a topper. Cut another paper circle and paint in the stripes. Hot glue a white bead in the middle of the disc, then attach this to the top of your umbrella. Fantastic! From basic recycled materials, we have a standing table with rainbow umbrella that is ready for play. So let's switch it up and make more ice cream accessories for the set. To simulate waffle bowls, we will take the same cotton face pads we used in our DIY waffle video. For a mold, we have this plastic Easter egg shell. Generously mist the cotton pad with water, then place it over the base of the egg. Pop the lid on top and push firmly to shape the pad. Leave overnight to dry. To lock in the shape, paint it generously all over with liquid glue. We gave our bowl 3 coats. Once the bowl is dry and hard, paint it a waffle colour. We use a mix of 1 part yellow ochre with 3 parts white paint. Next, we made more ice cream triple scoops using our cotton ball method. You can click the card to see our DIY or check the description box. They fit perfectly inside our waffle bowls and make a great addition to the playset. But should your dolls wish to rest their legs when eating, you can check out how to make these stools in our DIY AG Local Bean Coffee Shop video. Get busy making your own set today. Thanks for watching and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!